And now we find ourselves in the modern age, an era characterized by rapid advancements in technology and an unprecedented rate of innovation. Our journey through time brings us to the present, where the rhythm of change beats faster than ever. The innovations of this era have completely transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. Let's take a moment to appreciate some of these groundbreaking developments. First, there is the internet, a global network that has connected us in ways that were once only the stuff of science fiction. The internet has made it possible for us to access a virtually limitless amount of information at the click of a button. From the latest news to the sum of human knowledge, it has revolutionized communication, allowing us to connect with people on the other side of the world in real time. Next, we have smartphones. These handheld devices are much more than just phones. They are pocket-sized computers, cameras, navigators, and entertainment systems, all rolled into one. With a smartphone, we have the power of the internet at our fingertips, wherever we go. It's hard to imagine life without them now, isn't it? And of course, we can't forget about artificial intelligence. AI is